bumper because it was scratched right here. Tried to sand it out, but I went through the clear. Hood, the clear bra off, got the hood scuffed. The hood was chipped right here. Quarter panel scratched, you know, all the way down, but the main thing is it broke this tab off the back, which is glued on from the factory. The glue pulled off, so put that back on with some Evercoat Fibertech. And obviously the door is getting replaced and the fender's getting replaced. We have those, they're upstairs. The rocker was cracked all the way through, so we used an epoxy resin on the back, and then we'll grind down the front here and fix that with Fibertech. And that's it. I've tried to make a few videos lately, but I can't get my editing program on my computer to get along with the GoPro, or I don't know what's going on, but anyway. I got the new rear wheel on, and we just took the front one to get mounted. Basically, almost ready to start painting some stuff. So, that's the old Corvette update.